Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the HurryCane, the all-terrain cane. This is the packaging it came in, and this is the way it was shipped, with this nice little holder and the three sections and the top and the base. Now, some of the things that make this unique, this is, by the way, this is the Freedom Edition. And it has the T handle on there, and this is Trailblazer blue. This is the #1 selling cane in the United States, and there's good reasons why. We're going to go over some of those details. So the concept of this is, with these three legs, these three bottom portion legs here, you can see has a diameter of about 3.5 inches. This allows this cane to stand, which is nice. Then it has a bushing right here, and it's really tight, and that bushing is what's going to allow some flexibility when you're walking on the angle of the placement. It also allows you to lift this up if you drop it by putting your foot like this and pulling up like that. And that's pretty nice. So if you drop it, you don't have to worry about bending down to get it. So the concept here is that by having this motion, it's a seamless. It's basically like a seamless extension of your own body. That's what they say. It also has this nice SteadiGrip T handle, and it's very rubberized, feels really good. And that's nice because you will get sore normally, so that gives you some relief from that soreness. This will handle 350 pounds, and it's 13.7 inches folded like this. And it will adjust from 30.5 inches in total length up to 37.5 inches. So this has got a little handle on here, which is nice. So if you want, you could use that to hold it, or just hold it like that. It has the individual pieces. So first thing I noticed, and didn't even realize this, is these pieces are connected with a cord. And that cord provides flex and force. And that's what allows you to open this up and connect the different pieces. So let's first start off by connecting the first one right there. That's neat, it pulls into place. And then the second one right there. Very nice. Now the adjustments, there is a knurled knob right here that is going to allow us to tighten and slide this. And then you notice it has one of those stainless steel push buttons that allows adjustments of this leg. And what you do is you go like that, and then slice to the next one, and you slice the next one, and so forth, till you get it to the adjustment that you want. Once you get it adjusted, then you could turn the knob, and it's clockwise, looking from the bottom of the cane that I am turning that, and then it locks into place. Now these pieces will stay intact because it has that internal pull cord on there, which is like a large rubber band essentially. And then here's that bottom piece that I talked about, and it allows that flex so that when you're walking, you see that flex right there? That's important. And then I'm going to let go of this, and you can see it standing. And if I were to drop it and put my foot on there, it would lift this up just like that and allow you to get back to the standing position just like that. That's nice. So this is a nice product. It's not expensive. It's one of the #1 selling. It stands out from all the other ones because it's very unique. And I forgot to mention that in the package, this is important. I didn't even notice this, but in the package in the back is a nice holder for it. I didn't even see that. It has Velcro on this. You can put the whole unit collapsed in there to help you hold it. That's nice. And it also has instructions to show what I just did for you, and information about the company and how to contact them, and warranty information, things like that. So you have everything you need. I like this product. This is going to be used by my mother, who just had hip surgery, and she's doing well, and she's advancing from a walker, and the therapist wants her to go to a 3-point cane like this. So that's why we're getting it for her. So my mother has tried this, and she loves it. and I think it's very high quality, and I'm going to recommend this to anybody that's going to need a cane for mobility. So I'm going to give the HurryCane product a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this video review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thank you for watching.